Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this glass bead or spun velvet effect using the SnazzyMag. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Sticky Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. I've been trying a lot of different magnetic techniques lately, and today I'm going to be using a few new accessories for my SnazzyMag. I have these new risers that are in the bottom of the unit here, and that allows me to adjust the height without having to adjust the magnetic puck. And we also have the spiral spinner, which is a slightly different way that allows you to spin the magnet for some of the designs like the glass bead that I'm going to be doing. So I went ahead and did 3 coats of the polish, and now I'm going to go in with pole position, which is the magnetic rewetter from Jen & Barry's, and I'm going to do about a minute and a half or so of magnetization on each nail. How did I, oh, it's perfect except I dinged it. Now what am I going to do about that? I appear to have dinged my nail a little bit at some point because I'm just that graceful, but I've mostly tapped out the divot, and I'm going to add a little bit more pole position and remagnetize it. After I'm done magnetizing, I'm going to go in with my usual small brush dipped in acetone and clean up around the edges. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and today I'm using Holo Taco Glossy Taco. here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I've been doing a lot of different magnetic manicures lately and testing out different combinations of things, and I do feel like I still have a bit of a learning curve because there are so many options and so many variables. But the nice thing is, even if it doesn't turn out exactly as you maybe want or expect, like this happy little accident on my middle nail here, your result is still going to probably end up being pretty cool. I do want to give you some flashlight time so that you can check out some of the multi-chrome of this polish, which I did receive as PR. And if you'd like to see the VOD of this manicure, as well as quite a bit of magnetic testing, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member. One of the things I did differently with this manicure was using Holo Taco's Glossy Taco instead of my usual go-to Sèche Vite. And I think we did get some better results with that, even though we did not magnetize after top coat. So even something as small as that can make a big difference. And you have to pay attention to all those little factors when you're trying to figure out what you want to do. I'd love to hear what you think of this manicure down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.